Welcome sa day 12 ng ating push-up beat yesterday challenge, no? So, bali kailangan nating higitan yung ginawa nating nakaraan. Naka 46 ata tayo na push-up noon. So, ngayon kailangan nating higitan. Let's go!
You put my heart back together. I searched the world till my head hurt just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, Lord, your ways better. Jesus, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better.
Success ang day 12 natin, guys, no? So, kita-kits tayo sa susunod nating challenge.